Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Rajahmundry location. Let us see what are the job openings available. We will discuss in detail. Attention please, do not pay money for any kind of job. Please be aware of fraudulent companies or fraudsters. Firstly, there is a job openings for Delhi Public School located in Rajahmundry. Salary offered up to 60,000 a month. You can check with the details available. What are the qualifications? Should be at least 5 years of experience is required in CBSE school. BEd is mandatory, and you should have capable of reviewing lesson plans, preparation of timetables, managing the academics effectively with amazing communication skills. So you can the candidate may be from Andhra Pradesh and Telangana states. They will be preferred more. You can share your resume at the provided email ID, and you will be informed through phone if you are shortlisted your resume. You can share on this resume. Resume is careers at dpsrajahmundry.com. Next, there is a job openings for M1N Motors. They are looking for customer service executive. Salary offered up to 12,000 a month. Responsibilities, if we see, you should answer the phones and take messages as needed. You should greet the people in reception area. You should be able to coordinate activities for reception area. So all these are the responsibilities for this job role. You can check with that. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 78931 22669. Next, for the same organization, M&N Motors, they are looking for sales executive position. Salary offered minimum 8,000 to up to 15,000 a month. You should have a prior experience. If you have experience, salary will be negotiable, and up to 15,000 they offer. You should have a experience. If you are experienced, you should have experience in automobile sector, in a used car segment, or exchange or evaluations, etc. You can check with the job description details here. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 78931 22669. Next, there is a job openings for Laurel High Global School, International School, Cambridge Primary and CBSE. They are looking for career and guidance counselor. Salary offered minimum 15,000 to up to 20,000 a month. Minimum qualification is postgraduate or diploma in career guidance. You can check with the other details here. You can browse the provided website address link and apply for the job. You can check with this, and you have to browse this website link, and you can find the details and application form to apply for this job. Next, there is a job openings for Aquanera Industries Private Limited. They are looking for territory sales executive. Salary offered minimum 10,000 to up to 15,000 a month. You can check with the details. Every field executive has to coordinate with the Hyderabad branch sales coordinator to complete the joining formalities. And you can see login report should be reached by us 7:30 a.m. and logout report by 10 p.m. You can check with the other details on the given phone number. For more information, contact number is 9100075057. Next, there is a job opening for M&N Motors for finance executive position. Salary offered up to 12,000 a month. You can check with the other details here. You should assist in the preparation of budgets, managing records and receipts. So these are all the responsibilities of the job role. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 7893122669. Next, there is a job openings for Blue Eagle Impex Private Limited. They are looking for technical managers and officers. Only male candidates are eligible for this job role, and there is 25 vacancies available. Qualification is any degree. You will be given attractive salaries and along with incentives, and medical insurance also will be given to the candidates. And they have vacancies all over Krishna, East and West Godavari districts. Candidate must be organized, driven, proactive, and self-motivated, and should have a minimum 2 to 5 years of experience in aquaculture. You can share your resume at the provided email ID, or you can contact on the given phone numbers for more information. Contact numbers are 7997584777 and 90520706668, and email ID is hr@blueagleimpex.com. Next, there is a job openings for storekeeper for Homeo store. Only female candidates are eligible for this job role and should be graduate. Qualification is graduation. Office timings will be 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and you can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 63059 Next, there is a job openings for MVR Technology. They are looking for ITI and diploma holders as a service engineers for weighing machines. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. There is also official email ID available. Contact number is 91002 and email ID is office@mvrtech.org. Next, there is a job openings for Gaga Enterprises. They are looking for marketing executives. Minimum qualification, inter and experience required, like freshers are eligible and up to 2 years of experience will be considered. Salary will be minimum 7,000 along with incentives. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 76708 Next, there is job openings for RR Multi-Specialty Hospital. They are looking for duty doctors. Qualification is BHMS or BIMS and ANMs, GNMs. And they are also looking for ward boys as well. All these job vacancies available. You can contact on the given phone numbers for more information. Contact number is 89194555966. Next, there is a job openings for marketing executives for East Godavari and West Godavari districts. Minimum qualification is degree. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 86393 Next, there is job openings for canteen supervisor and they are also looking for minimum 1 year of experienced candidates, and you should be able to handle the kitchen works and deliver good food with his team members. Education qualification is graduation. You should have a knowledge of MS Office and especially MS Excel work knowledge is mandatory. You should be able to read and write English and Telugu fluently. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 80962 Next, there is a job openings for masterminds. They are looking for principal position. Only male candidates are eligible for the job role and should be experienced. Salary offered minimum 19,000 to up to 21,000 per month. Minimum qualification post graduation. And they are also looking for male in charges. Salary offered minimum 12,000 to up to 14,000 per month. Minimum qualification is any degree or post graduation. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 92487 Next, there is a job openings for Tejas English Medium High School. They are looking for teaching positions and in charges for primary and high school. They are looking for teaching positions for mathematics, physics and Hindi. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 98482 Next, there is a job opening for receptionist position. Should have a knowledge of English, Hindi and Telugu languages. Only female candidate is eligible for the job role. You can contact on the given phone numbers for more information. Contact numbers are 95053 and 77992 Next, there is a job openings for Horika Associates. They are looking for an experienced person in AutoCAD and pre-DCR. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 96409 Next, there is a job openings for teaching positions for the organization. Sri Krishna Chaitanya English Medium Schools to teach the classes from 1st standard to 7th standard. For more details, you can contact on the given phone numbers. The phone numbers are 99487 41629 and 63057 So you can contact on the given phone numbers for further details and get to know more information on this. They have vacancies for teaching positions for different subjects and all. You can check with the given phone numbers for further details. That's it in this video, guys. I'll be coming up with more updated job openings for Rajahmundry location as early as possible. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to encourage me to do more videos for Rajahmundry location jobs. Please like our videos and share with our friends and family members who are in need of job. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Have a great day.